Assalamualaikum grade 3 children. In last video children, we had covered lesson and the textual question answers till page number 14. Today we are going to start page number 15, and on that page children, your grammar part it is there. In grade 1 and 2, you learn naming words, that they are nouns, common noun, proper noun, that much you know. Today in the noun, another two kinds, they are countable and uncountable nouns. We are going to see on the page number 15, and we will do the exercise of page number 15 and 16. And we will do the exercise of that same one on the page number 17, 18, 19. So children, today we are going to cover these many pages. See here is the picture on your page number 15. Open your page number 15 children, and just see they have given you here 4 pictures. Dog, eggs. Here it is what children? Then here the 2 shops are there, and they are asking something from the shop. Here, what is the countable noun? Things that can be counted are called countable noun. Things that are be counted can be called countable nouns. In numbers children, 1 dog, 2 dog, 5 dogs, 10 dogs, 100 dogs. Here 1 egg, 3 eggs, 5 eggs, 7 eggs. Like that we can count them in numbers. So children, these are the countable noun which we can count them in numbers. Here see, one lady is asking something from the shopkeeper. So whatever she is asking, that also may be in number only. And here the countable nouns can be one that is singular, and more than 2, or we can make the numbers go on and on. When there is one noun, we use a or an. We say a boy, a cat, an aunt. So whenever we are using the countable noun and they are in singular or they are in one number, we are saying a boy, a cat, a chair, a table, and an also, a and an, that is article. In further lesson, in next lesson, we are going to learn about the articles a and an and the. Here a and an we can use with the singular number, that is countable noun. A boy, a chair, a dog, an aunt. Here the children come on the page number 16. Here also the 4 pictures are given. Tea is there children, milk is there, water is there, and butter is there. They come under the uncountable because these things we cannot count in numbers. For example, I can say give me 1 cup of tea, but I cannot say give me 1 tea. Or there is little tea left in the cup. We can say like that, but we cannot say there is 1 tea left in the cup. Same with the milk also. Give me 1 cup of milk, 1 glass of milk, 1 jar of milk, but we cannot count the milk in number. Same with the water also. Your mama will ask you, give me a glass of water, but she cannot say give me 1 water. Isn't it? So children, the things which we cannot count in numbers, they are uncountable, and these things they are given here. Examples they are given on your page number 16. So here is the definition of uncountable nouns. Teacher is going to read for you. Things cannot be counted are called uncountable noun. Things which we cannot count are known as uncountable noun. Then children, we do not say 1 tea or 2 milks, but we say a cup of tea or some milk. For examples, a lot of water, some butter and some rice. Rice also in kilos we can say, but we cannot say give me 1 rice, give me 1,000 rice, give me 100 rice. When you are sitting on the dinner table, you are saying give me some rice or a spoon of rice or a plate of rice. We are not saying give me 100 rice. Isn't it? So these are uncountable nouns. Children, here on this page, this 17 page number, this exercise, number 2 exercise, it is connected with your this chapter. But this one, no, you have to write by yourself. These are the words. These are 5 words given. You have to write. You have to make the sentences by yourself. This is your HW. Do by yourself. Make the sentences. Teacher will see in the next class. Here children, see. 12 words they are given. We have to write whether they are countable or they are uncountable. Very easy work. Very easily we can recognize them. Number 1, duster. Duster we can count them. So duster is a countable. Teacher is writing C for that. Carrot, yes. Then water, uncountable. Then air, uncountable. We cannot count air. Fruits, countable. Then food, uncountable. Then here chair, countable. Here sand is uncountable. Milk is uncountable. Then children, what is there? The word toy. Toy we can count, countable. Sky we cannot count, uncountable. And rocket we can count, so countable. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here see children. Yes. 6 only we have to write. So you have to do in the exercise countable and uncountable. 2 columns are given. You have to pick the word and write in the correct column. Teacher has done for you, but you try to do by yourself. This pages teacher will send you tomorrow, not today. Here the another exercise is there for the countable and the uncountable. The children are playing. We can count the children, so it is C, countable. I don't like milk. We cannot count the milk, uncountable. U. I like tea, uncountable. The earth is surrounded by the air, uncountable. Air we cannot count. My mother uses butter to bake cakes. Butter also it is, the picture it is given in where children? On page number 16 only. Butter it is under the uncountable. So butter is uncountable. Then there are a lot of windows in our classroom. Countable. We can count the windows. We need some glue to fix, uncountable. Then the waters, uncountable. They are the waiters, children. So we can count the waiters. So children, it is countable. That word is waiters, not the water. My father drinks 2 big glasses of water every morning. Glasses we can count. So here countable. We must busy we must buy some bread. Bread we can count, yes. Drivers must be careful, the road is slippery. Drivers we can count, countable. Some policemen are directing road traffic. Some policemen we can count, countable. I bought 3 bottles, countable. I would like some juice. Juice we cannot count, uncountable. Successful candidates will join the camp. Candidates we can count. Candidates, they are the students or the participants. Can we have rice? Uncountable. My brother is making a new website. It is countable. We must drink a lot of water, uncountable. How many runs did you make today's game? Runs we can count, countable. I made some nice people while I was walking along the beach. Here the people we can count. Here is the countable. Same with here, the exercise number 4 it is there. This is the last exercise, children. We have to write a little, some, few. These 3 words only we have to fill, and teacher has done for you. We had a little snow last winter, a little snow. Some people we can count, some people. I can speak a little German. Then there are only few students. Few students we can count them. She has few friends. There is some water in the bucket. The professor spends some time playing golf on Sundays. We have only a little sugar left. There are few pieces of carrot in my carrot soup. Only some plants can survive in the heat. So children, these 3 words you have to fill. Teacher has done for you. Teacher will send you tomorrow this picture. Now, tomorrow inshallah we are going to cover the another 2-3 pages. By that time, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.